Hello student, in class 7 exercise 2.3 question number 3, multiply the following fraction. So here two fractions have been given, you have to do their multiplication. 2 upon 5 is a proper fraction, 5 1 upon 4 is a mixed fraction. So convert into the improper fraction. So 5 into 4 is 20 and 20 plus 1 is 21. So it is 21 upon 4 and then you have to do their multiplication. So here you observe 2 and 4 both are divisible by 2. So 2 ones are 2, 2 twos are 4. So it means 21 into 1 is 21. 5 into 2 is 10. So here it means 21 divided by 10. So remainder will be 1. So your answer is nothing but 2 1 upon 10. This is the answer of this question. Going into the second question. In this second question, we have the mixed fraction. So 6 into 5 is 30. 30 plus 2 is 32. 32 upon 5 into 7 upon 9. No one number is divisible by other number. So you do their multiplication directly. So it is 32 into 7 upon 5 into 9. 5 into 9 is 45. Then you do the multiplication of 32 and 7. So 7 into 2 is 14. And then 7 into 3 is 21 plus 1 22. So 224, which is you have to divide by 45. So here you try it out with 4. 45 into 4 is 4 into 5 is 20. 4 into 4 is 16 plus 2 18. So you have to use here number 4 and subtract 180. So 4 minus 0 is 4. 12 minus 8 is 4. 12 minus 8 is 4. So here 1 minus 1 0. So remainder will be 44. So finally our answer is 44 upon 45. This is the answer of the second one. Third one. Third number is written as 3 upon 2 into 5 into 3 is 15. 15 plus 1 16 upon 3. 3 cut because they are same. 2 ones are 2, 2 eights are 16. So the answer is 8. Third question was quite easy. Fourth one. 5 upon 6 into 7 into 2 is 14. 14 plus 3 is 17. 17 upon 7. Do the multiplication. 5 into 17, 6 into 7. So 5 into 17 is nothing but 85. 6 into 7, 42. So 85 divided by 42. So 42 into 2 is 84. Remainder will be 1. So it is 2 1 upon 42. This is the answer of this question. Moving into the next, mixed fraction is there. So convert into improper one. 5 into 3 is 15. 15 plus 2 17 upon 5 into 4 upon 7. So do the multiplication. 17 into 4 and downside 5 into 7. So 5 into 7 is 35. Then 17 into 4. So it is 68. So divide this number by 35. So subtract 35 from 68. 8 minus 5 is 3. 6 minus 3 is 3. So our answer is 133 upon 35. This is the answer of this question. So after this we will see the next one. So in the question number 6, you have to solve that. 5 into 2 is 10. 10 plus 3 is 13. 3 as it is. So do their multiplication. 13 into 3 is 39. And downside 5 will be as it is. So 39 divided by 5. 5 into 7 is 35. Remainder will be 4. So the answer is 7 4 upon 5. This is the answer. Now going into the seventh one. In the seventh question, 7 into 3 is 21. 21 plus 4 is 25. Downside 7 as it is. 3 upon 5. So here 5 ones are 5. 5 fives are 25. So it means 5 into 3, 15. And downside 7 into 1 is 7. So now this time you can divide 15 by 7. So 7 into 2 is 14. Remainder will be 1. So our answer is 2 1 upon 7. This is the answer of this question. Now the next one is which one is greater. So you have to compare this number. So what happened, you solve according to that. 2 upon 7 of means into 3 upon 4, right? Or as it is 3 upon 5 of means multiplication sign 5 upon 8. So while solving this, you see their multiplication. 3 into 2 is what? 6. 7 into 4, 28. Here I am writing or as it is. Here 5 will cut. Same numbers are there, so it is 3 upon 8. And if you see here, both the number are divisible by 2. So first I am cutting by 2. So 2 into 3 is 6. Okay. So here 3 will be there. And here 2 ones are 1, 2 fours are 8. So it is 14. So here the numbers are nothing but 3 upon 14 or 3 upon 8. So these are the number. Now you see carefully, their numerator is same, denominators are different. So what we learn, suppose the numbers are like that, 3 upon 14 and 4 upon 14. If the denominators are same, the upside greater number will be the greater. So here it will be reverse. Suppose if the numerators are same like that, 8, 14. So here numerators are same, then smaller denominator will be greater. Opposite will be there. So we are writing as it is. So which number is smaller downside? This number is smaller. So that will be greater. So from above statement, we conclude that now you write upsides question as it is and 3 upon 5 of 5 upon 8. So it means this equation, this terms is greater than this one. Now we will solve the second part in the same way. 1 upon 2 of 6 upon 7 or 2 by 3 of 3 upon 7. So similar number you can cut here 6 and here 2. Both are divisible by 2. So here 2 ones are 2, 2 threes are 6. Got that? So here 3 into 1 is 3, 7 into 1 is 7 or 3 will directly cut 2 upon 7. So this one is quite easy. 3 upon 7, 2 upon 7. So their denominators are same. So greater numerator number will be greater. So we conclude that 1 upon 2 of 6 by 7 is greater than 2 upon 3 of 3 upon 7. Got that? So this one is quite easy. Same procedure you can use for solving. So I hope friend you understood this question. Thanks for watching. Thank you.